Hello viewers, this is Calvin. Today I have a very accelerating application that we can use in our schools to manage discipline. Here, let me open it up. So this is an Excel application. So you're able to see here we have a login window. So we put in our username, admin 123. So you can show or hide the password. And again, you can change the password here if you've forgotten your password. You can always change it from this pipe. Then we log in. Okay, so this is the home page, but you can launch the main window. You're able to see a very nice window where we are actually doing everything here. We can add the students, we can add the teacher, we can create the minor offenses, we can create the major offenses, we can record the minor offenses, we can have the minor offenses records displayed and even printing them. We can record the major offenses, displaying them and printing them. We can have the settings and you can exit. So we can do all this same window. So let us add a student. So admission number 1246. The first name Angela, the second name or the surname Mwangi, other names Jerry, birth certificate number 011. Okay, that one you can use that one as the birth certificate. Date of birth January 5th, 2000. It's a female. The class, you can select the classes from this drop down list. You're able to see drop down list with the different classes here. So we can have Form 2. Let us have in Form 2. It's a Form 2. Medical condition, maybe none. Any special need, no. Home country, home country. Okay, we can have Kiambu here. Then the home sub-county can have Georgia. Postal address, PO box, Thika, Kenya. Okay, then we can have the mother's ID, the mother's name, Jane Mwangi, the mother's email, jane@gmail.com, the mother's mobile, 07, the father's ID, father's name, Mwangi, father's email at gmail.com, and then father's mobile number, guardian's ID number. Maybe the guardian is there, so we need to put the ID number, the guardian's name, Emmanuel. Okay, then we can save the detail. The student is added successfully. So that's how you will be saving those students. Then you can as well edit or update the student's detail. For example, 1246, you can see as I type, the student's details appear or populates the fields. So then you can update anything. You can even update the date of birth. You can update the class, the name, and so on. Then you click update. Okay. Now that's what you can do to update. So let's look at how you can also add a teacher or teachers to your system. So you're able to see a very nice designed form here, and look at this at the side here. You're able to see some list here for teachers who already added the system. You can add many as possible depending on your school or your institution. So uh, let me add a teacher. So maybe 8. Okay, let's add teacher. Okay, auto generated. You can see the code number is auto generated. So the name of the teacher, let us add uh, let us now add a teacher here, Boris Ningusa. Okay, then the mobile number is 071278. Then we submit. So that is how you'll be adding teachers. You can add as many as possible. Then you can also edit those teachers. Just put in the code number, for example 4. Then the details come here. Then you edit those details the way you wish. So you can also delete teacher from your system. So that's how you'll be managing uh, the teachers. Then you are now able to create a minor offense, because this system is to manage the discipline of the students or of the learner, and therefore uh, we need to create the minor offenses and the major offenses. These minor offenses and major offenses, they will occur daily or they will frequently occur. So we need to uh, have them in the system so that we are able to have them at the fingertip. So now you can create others. These are the ones we already have in the system. These are the ones we already created in the system. So you can create as many as possible. And the roll number here, that means that is the next minor offense to be created will be 20th one. So you can create as many as possible. So let me create another one. So you can create another one. Let's say carrying an illegal, just for example, that is for matters of demonstration. So you can see already it is featuring here. So that's how you'll be creating the minor offenses. So let us create the major offenses. So again, the major offenses we create them in the similar manner. So the offense here, you can say, for example, uh, using an illegal drug, for example, then you submit. So you can see already featuring here, using an illegal drug. So that's when you have created a major offense. Then you can also edit those offenses. Just put the roll number, for example 10. Then you can see already the detail is here, so you can change them appropriately. So by that you shall have created a major offense. So now we are able to record the minor and the major offenses. So let's start by recording the minor offenses. A student has actually gotten involved in an offense, and now we need to record that. So we put in the admission number of the student. So let's say 1280. Then you search. So Michelle. So then you put the offense here. You simply select from the list alongside. Then you can also select the corrective measure that you want to use. So let's say suspension. Then the teacher who is correcting the student, the teacher who is actually administering the correction. So you can put maybe that teacher there. And remember, sometimes you may want to call the parent or call the guardian. So you can get the mobile number from there. You can see the details, the contact details of the parents and the guardians will automatically be generated. Then you can save that record. So you click save to save the minor. Another student, 1296, Linda, taking meals outside designated places without permission or without supervision. Manual punishment scale or also pige. Then you can always check that mobile number. Then okay, you can save. Then you can see in the word. Then 97, 1297 Veronica, using abusive language on others. Suspension. Sylvia, get the mobile number. Veronica Umatieno, those are the contacts, the parents and guardians. Then you can save that detail. Again, we have saved Veronica Uma. So that's how you'll be recording the minor offenses to the system. Then let us move to the minor offenses records. Now that we've recorded the minor offenses, we may want to print, we may want to get the hard copy of the records. So now you come here, then you press print. So it's printing and you can see it has generated a PDF copy, a PDF format copy, soft copy. You can connect your printer. When you connect your printer, you're able to print a hard copy. So from here, you're able to print either hard copy or you can print a PDF format, soft copy of the same. So that is how you'll be doing the printing. Then let us record major offenses. So the major offenses also do occur in the school, so we need to record them as well. So let's say the student has committed some offenses, is student with admission number 1296, 1296, Linda Tino Ward. Linda Tino Ward has been found to be having some sort of sexual harassment. Then corrective measure, suspension. Let's put there. Let's put there guidance and counseling. Then we have Joseph Kabasa. This is the comment. You can change the comment, or you can let it go like that. Then you save. But before saving, you can as well get the details of the parents. So these are the details of the parents. And call them to notify them. Okay, we let us save that record. Okay, major offense data added successfully. So Linda Tino Award already saved. So that's how you'll be saving them. 12 or 1308. That is Faith Ngala Award. Faith Ngala Award has some drugs or is having drug substance abuse. Then we have corrective measure for that. Can have suspension for maybe 2 weeks. Then Oranga Belinda. Then now you can see every other thing has been populated. So we can get the mobile number of the parents so that we notify them as well. So then we save the data is successfully saved. The data is successfully saved. So that's how you will be recording the major offenses. So after recording the major offenses, you may want to print those details of the data. Maybe it's required somewhere. So you come here and the major offense records, then you press print, and then it will generate a soft copy. But if you like, you can connect your printer so that you're able to have the hard copy as well. So you come here, you press this one to print either the hard copy or soft copy, the PDF format. So that's how you'll be getting your copies. Then here we have the settings. So here you'll be changing the password and the system caption. For example, if you have to change the school caption, you're able to come there so that you change the name of your school. So you update this one appropriately depending on your institution. Then you can also change the password from that point. Then from here you can exit the system. You can always exit the system. So friends, that's how you will use this particular software to manage the learner's discipline in your school. It's very handy, and it will even ensure that the discipline levels in the school are very palatable. Otherwise, I want to thank you. You can give it a thumb up. You can give it a thumbs up. You can subscribe if you have not subscribed to this particular channel. And I always appreciate you. Thank you for being with me up to the end of this video. Otherwise, thank you. May God bless you. So let us exit.